Ready for the big reveal? I have been waiting all day to share this exciting news with you, so please get ready because it is truly incredible.
What if I told you the AI tool you've been searching for is probably already on your phone? Most creators are paying monthly subscription for AI video generators, image creator, and music tools. But YouTube is quietly rolling out features that can help you do many of those things without even leaving the app. Yeah. So before you spend money on another AI subscription, watch this video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Heavenly Gracie, and on this channel, I share the latest AI tools, online income opportunities, and creator tips that can help you work smarter. So today I'm showing you one of YouTube's newest AI feature that many people haven't noticed yet. So instead of opening 5 different apps to create your content, YouTube is gradually bringing AI creation into one place. Yeah. So depending on your region and your account, you may be able to generate videos, create images, design backgrounds, and even add AI generated music. Yeah. So let's see how it works. All right, let's go to your YouTube app. Let me show you how to do this. So what you do is you come here, you click on the plus button. Click on the plus button. You can see there is video, there is shorts, and there is live, there is post. So what you do is you click on the shorts, you see, and then you look up here, this star here, and then you tap on it. You can see the AI playground. You can create videos, you can turn your photo to videos, and you can create music. So now let's start from the first one, creating video. You see, there are suggestions here. So it's either you make a video that looks like this suggestion, you understand, or you give it a prompt. So now let's create a video. You tap on create a video. You can see there are suggestions here. Make a video with my avatar. You can paste your prompt here and you add your image. So now I would like to use something from here, a suggestion here. So because I don't have a prompt ready. So now let's click on this. You can see draw my life, make me film a pack with me vlog to travel to Mars, make me a chef in a zero gravity kitchen, make me a pilot flying through a black hole, make me a podcast host giving ridiculous advice. Yes, I love this. Let's go with this. So I'm going to click on make me a podcast host giving ridiculous advice. So I'm not just going to create this, I'm going to add my image. So it shows that I'm the one. So now I'm going to select my picture. Let's add this picture to it. And then you hit this arrow and it starts creating. Hold on, because it takes a little time. So I'm going to pause the video and wait till it gets to show us the results. It's about to give the results.
If you are looking to save money this year, listen up. Stop buying coffee at home. Instead, buy a luxury sports car because the high monthly payments will force you to become a billionaire.
Can you see that? Here is the result, and I hope you love it. So now you can add sound, you can do anything, and then you click on next. You hit the next button. That is if you want to post it on your YouTube channel. But if you don't want to post it here, so all you do is you click this arrow down, this drop down arrow. You can see save to device. You click on save to device, and it will save. It will automatically save into your device. You get. So it's as simple as that. Now let's go over to the next feature. Okay, we are done with creating video. Okay, now let's go that same place. You click on it. Okay, here it is. It has opened. Now we have created video, right? We have created a video. And if you don't want to use your image to create a video, you can also get a, okay, let's go and create something else. You see, creating video. So I'm going to go to my ChatGPT and get a prompt and create a video with it. Let's go. Okay, my ChatGPT. I have a video prompt here. Okay, let's just copy this. Okay, so I have copied the prompt. Let's go back and paste it here. Okay, So you can see we have done the pasting. I'm not going to add my image or anything. So I just wanted to generate. So now I'm going to hit on the arrow for it to start creating. All right, so it has started. It's going to take a little time. So I'm going to pause the video and come back right after the result is ready. Okay, so this is the second one we created. That was the first one. Remember, I didn't remove it. So that is why it started from that one. So now this is the second one we just generated. Watch.
If you are looking to save money,
So you can see, this is the first one, and then the second one, it's now joined together. So if I want to save, what I do is I click on this drop down arrow and I save to device. You see that? So that is it. Now let's go over to the next. Click here and click on create music. You see that? Create music. So now, if you look down, you see where they wrote lyrics. So either you create a track with vocals or you turn it off and just create a track without vocal. So now I don't have a prompt yet. So I'm going to use something from here. Upbeat 80s, epic cinematic. Okay, let's go with this. Let's go with this. And then you hit the create button. So I will pause the video and come right back immediately it's created. I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so the result is here. You can see it. It's just 30 seconds long. So let's listen. Okay, see, that is the track. I wanted to stop the recording so that it won't be that long. You see that?
As you can see, the process is simple. You describe what you want, and YouTube's AI helps generate the content in just a few minutes. Okay, so I think this is a big step for creators because it reduces the need for multiple paid AI tools, and it makes content creation much easier, especially if you're just getting started. So I want to ask, would you actually use YouTube's AI features, or do you still prefer other AI tools? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another creator. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.